Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'm showing you guys how I did this little twin stars nail art. First thing that we all should do is apply a base coat. And I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. Next, I'm applying 2 coats of a sheer pink nail polish. Then, after letting it to dry, I'm applying a shimmer top coat. Then for my index and ring nail, I'm applying liquid latex. On a cosmetic sponge, I'm applying the sheer pink nail polish that I used earlier. And I'm applying a glitter light blue shade as well. Then I'm dabbing it onto my index nail. Then I'm doing the cleanup. As for my ring nail, I'm doing a pink version of the ombre I did. Then after that, I sealed it in with top coat. For the little twin star design, I'm using these water decals that we've bought at Shopee. Now I'm cutting the designs that I'll be using. Let's peel off the film and submerge the water decal onto a room temperature water. If the water decal doesn't stick on your nails, apply a fast drying top coat to make it a bit sticky. Then I'm applying it onto my clear stamper. Then stamp the water decal. Then I'm doing it to the rest of my nails. After all of that, apply your favorite top coat. And that's how I did my little twin stars nail art. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!